Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the PUBG gameplay test of 90 FPS. Is it supported in the Realme X2 Pro or not? The reason why I'm doing this because recently the PUBG has been updated to the 90 FPS support in the few of the mobile phones, and Realme X2 Pro is one of that list. And in this video, I'll be demonstrating whether you can actually play the PUBG game at 90 FPS or what is the maximum FPS you can actually achieve if you're using this kind of settings. And if you're wondering what live wallpaper I'm using in all of these smartphones, so try to check the links in description so you can find very good interesting videos on each and every smartphone. So let's get started with the PUBG test 90 FPS. So first thing is that one of my subscriber he did comment in one of my videos that 90 FPS is not actually playing in the Realme X2 Pro, even though after selecting so many options. So now let's see friends whether you can actually get the 90 FPS or not. So to get the 90 FPS you need to select with the smooth settings. So once you're in the smooth, you'll get this kind of option 90 FPS, as you can see. So before that we need to enable the 90 FPS in our settings as well. So now let me show you the, as you can see, the FPS 70 it got hit, but again it got decreased to the 61 FPS as soon as reached. So that is one disadvantage. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I am unable to achieve the 90 FPS mark in this Realme X2 Pro. So let me try to immediately show you the settings as well what I'm using here. So if you know the solution, do comment below what is the method you are using. As you can see here, so screen type 90 FPS I have selected, but still I am not getting that 90 FPS. And next thing what I did was I did open the game space and I've selected to the competitive mode as well. So that is another thing which I did later on to increase the FPS meter. And one more option is also available in the battery. So go to the battery and performance mode. I've selected to the high performance mode. So everything high performance mode and the competitive mode, everything is turned on, but still 90 FPS I'm unable to get in this Realme X2 Pro device. I'm not sure how to get that. So if you try to observe, so let me try to change the settings to again to 90 and let me show you the FPS exactly how much it is. As you can see, 60 FPS. It's not even increasing more than 61. So 61 is the maximum FPS it got recorded. 62. So right now it did increase a little bit, 62. So that's not much friends. I did expect it to close to 80%, 80 FPS of continuous gameplay test, but still that's not the case. So let me even try start playing the match as well to show you what is the FPS it's constantly maintaining on the top. So you'll get a clear idea. So if you're having the Realme X2 Pro, you can try by updating this PUBG. So there's nothing wrong with the game space that it's not detecting the 90 FPS, but this game is not detecting overall. So let me try to open the other game which actually supports the 90 FPS. So you'll get a clear idea actually the game space is working. As you can see, as soon as I did open this game, I can see the 90 FPS mark on the top. So there is nothing wrong with the game space. So that is what my conclusion is. So there is nothing wrong with the game space, but there is something problem with the PUBG communicating with this Realme X2 Pro device. So there is only one problem. So maybe in the future they might able to fix, but in case if I find any solution for that for this 90 FPS, I'll try to make a video on that one as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and comment below. Don't forget to comment below in case if you have any ideas how to make this work. So and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.